We're making pork belly. All right, so now we're gonna mix everything together. We're gonna start off with the apple juice, orange juice, sherry, honey, rice vinegar, mirin, sesame seed oil, oyster sauce, mustard, chili sauce, chili powder, MSG, onion powder, cinnamon, ginger, black pepper, paprika, soy sauce. Make sure to mix this very thoroughly because you want to make sure that those powders do not clump up. Next step, pork belly. I'm super excited for today. I have a brand new sponsor. It's me. I'm the one sponsoring these videos. I need you to pull your weight, all right? Like, share, and subscribe so that I can afford a cameraman. I gotta stop doing this stupid walk-on thing. All right, you guys are tired of it. I'm tired of it. That being said, let's get back onto the regular scheduled programming. Pork belly. We're gonna take this pork belly, we're gonna put it into this bag, add about half of this marinade. We're gonna vacuum seal that bag. We're gonna put it into this sous vide at 176 degrees for about 7 hours. After that, we're going to take it out, chill it a little bit, take the broth, separate the broth, then we're gonna take it, add it to the smoker. Let's go. All right, so let's start with this pork belly. Let's cut this open. I'm gonna score that fat cap to get as much of that to render out as possible. All right, now that it's vacuum sealed, it's gonna go into the sous vide at 170 for 7 hours. I'll see you guys in the morning. All right, so it's the following morning. We took it out of the sous vide bath. We let it come down to room temperature. I'm gonna be patting it dry, throwing it on the smoker. We're gonna bring that up to around 203. While it's in the smoker, we are going to be brushing it down with that sauce that we made earlier in the video. In case you guys are wondering why I'm not using my big smoker, well, it's a little too cold for that. Okay, we have about a half a cup left of the marinade from earlier. What we're gonna be doing is adding 1 tablespoon of palm sugar and 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. It's going to take a while because you want to get all that to dissolve. Almost forgot that we also need to add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Give that a taste. Perfect. All right, here we are. We're gonna start glazing this. Look at that color, it's already adopted just from smoking. The glaze here, and take it. We're gonna apply it. Let me flip it over first. Get the bottom side. Right here, I have a 50-50 mix of distilled vinegar and water. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of salt, and adjust, if needed, to your taste. Stir that up and pour that into here. Now you make however much you need. All right, sandwich making time. Look at this just fall apart. I really wish you could smell this. It is absolutely off the charts. That, as you can see, that the glaze is stuck to my hand. That's how sticky that palm sugar really helps this become. Take some our glaze, brush that over it. I'm just gonna lay it on top of there gently. Make sure that you drain it off so it doesn't get all watery. Take our grunions. A little bit of sesame seeds over the top of it. You are ready to serve. I'm actually having to redo this take because I just realized that the previous one was blurry. And I'm not mad about it because I'm smashing these things, all right? The first one, it pretty much made me want to stop doing whatever I was doing, just enjoy this. But I got to talk to you people, all right? So let's go through this again. It's incredible. So tender, just falls apart. The tanginess, it just all works together so well. It's so moist. I know people hate that word. I don't care. Try this. Make it. Comment down below and tell me I'm a god. Because, you know, after you eat this, you'd be like, yeah, maybe he is. I don't know. Hands down, my best recipe I've ever made. It is the best one you'll ever have. Try it. Guaranteed you're gonna love it. That being said, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and follow the smoke. It's fucking good. Six months into this channel, I'm gonna be 500 pounds. It's stupid. I mean, I'm not in great shape now, but I'm gonna be fat and famous. Great. Get this in you. Get this in you. You need it.